What we learn with pleasure we never forget. By saying this word, I am Divya R, studying in second year MCom, Department of PG Studies and Research in Commerce, Gnana Sahyadri, Kuempu University, Shankargatta. Today I am going to discuss the topic of GST impact on banking sector. Before going to the topic, I would like to give brief introduction about GST. GST abbreviation is Goods and Services Tax. GST was implemented on 1st July 2017. It means GST is comprehensive tax levied on manufacture, sale and consumption of goods and services at a national level. Goods and services tax would be levied at each stage of sale or purchase of goods and services based on input tax credit method. Some of central and state levies subsumed under GST. In that, central levies are excise duty, additional duties of excise, customs special additional duty, service tax, central surcharge and cesses, central state tax. In that, state levies are VAT, luxury tax, entry tax, entertainment tax, tax on advertisement, lotteries, betting and gambling, and state surcharges and cesses. Then we can see there is three models of GST such as CGST, SGST, IGST. SGST stands for Central Goods and Services Tax. SGST stands for State Goods and Services Tax. IGST stands for Integrated Goods and Services Tax. When transactions are made within the state, CGST and SGST will apply. And when transactions are made out of state, IGST will apply. GST tax slab rate are classified into 5 groups, that is 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Let's see the introduction about Indian banking system. Indian banking system assumed significant importance in the wake of economic reforms initiated since 1991. Indian banking is an important services are provided by number of financial institutions with the changed economic scenario. Banking means transaction business with a bank, depositing and withdrawing funds or requesting a loan, etc. Banking as defined as accepting for the purpose of lending and investment of deposit or money from the public, repayable on demand, order or otherwise, and withdrawable by check. Impact of GST on banking sector. It is expected that services sector will have major impact of GST than the manufacturing or trading sector. Among the services provided by banks and NBFs, the financial services such as fund-based, fee-based, insurance services will see a major shift of current scenario. Transaction on fee in financial services such as credit card, payment fund, ATM transaction, processing fees and loans is as increased to 18% bracket in the new GST regime. And also it's have a negative impact of banking sector. Those are all. Tax has increased to 18% compared to the earlier service tax of 15%. Loans are charged for 18% without any other differentiation the tax rates. Due to the state-wise registration, multiple audit and assessment is required. Interest is transaction between branches of the same bank is charged. Finally, I would like to conclude that the GST bill implemented has several benefits to the manufacturing sector and service sector and consumer, but manufacturing sector has a more benefited than the other two comparatively. Thank you.